Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Dhruvin. In this video, I will show you how to fix Apple Music replay not working and not showing on iPhone. Recently, lot of iPhone and iPad users has been reporting to in the My Apple Music applications replay options is not showing. Here in this video, I give you some tips and tricks about it so you can easily fix your problems. Before the starting video, please make sure you are subscribed my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. Solutions number 1 is check use listening history is enabled or not. For that, first of all, open the settings app. Here settings app, scroll down and tap on the music. In music, now you can see also Apple listening history options available. If the turn off, now please make sure turn on use listening history features on your iPhone. These settings done after wait for the sometimes, then again try to check Apple Music replay options available on your iPhone. Solutions number 2 is check your Apple Music subscription. Your Apple Music replay might not work if your Apple Music subscription has expired or if you are logged into with different Apple ID. To check your subscriptions account and follow these steps. Now to first of all find out the settings app from the iPhone home screens after tap on the Apple ID. In the Apple ID, now again scroll down and find out the subscriptions option. Under the subscriptions, check on the Apple Music, check your subscription renewal date. If it shows your subscription has expired, that means your Apple Music subscription has ended and also you can't access the Apple Music Replay 2023. Apple Music subscription is expired. Now please make sure renew these subscriptions. This way too you can easily fix your problems. Solutions number 3 is try Apple Music Replay on web. Some users might not know how to access Apple Music Replay 2023 correctly. This features is only accessible via the web browsers. I recommend opening the Apple Safari browsers and search the Apple Music Replay in Safari browsers. Simple, open these websites and log in the same Apple ID to your iPhone and iPad. After, you can check find out the Apple Music Replay options. These 3 ways you can easily get the Apple Music Replay options on your iPhone. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.